Hi, once again welcome to Mahobad Education YouTube channel. This is Somalingam Upula, School Assistant to Biological Science from ZBHS Penugonda, K. Samudram Mandal. Today our topic is accessory excretory organs, additional excretory organs which are in our body. And of course, kidneys are the vital organs for excretia. Due to various metabolisms inside the body, different type of wastages are formed. Those wastages are collected, separated and eliminated by kidneys. That is why kidneys are the primary and vital organs for excretia. But in our body, we have some organs, though they have another primary functions, they are participating as a secondary activity in the excretia. I repeat, in our body, some organs, they are participating in excretia as a supporting organ for the kidney as a secondary function known as accessory excretory organs. I repeat, some organs from our body, they are participating in excretia as a supporting organ for kidney, though they have primary function. This is the additional or secondary function. So in our body, mostly we have four important organs as accessory excretory organs. They are lungs, skin, liver and large intestine. Actually, these organs have the primary function. In addition to their primary function, these organs are participating in excretia as a supporting organ for kidney. That is why these organs are known as accessory or additional excretory organs. For example, lungs, skin, liver and finally large intestine. Lungs are the vital organs for respiration. We know that. Lungs are the respiratory organs. So from the body, carbon dioxide and some amount of water are expelled to the lungs. So lungs are the organs. They are participating in the expelled of carbon dioxide and water from the body through respiration. That is why lungs also known as a secondary or additional excretory organ. Second one is skin, the largest organ in the body. Actually, skin is the organ for sensation. So skin is the largest organ in the body, which plays an important role in the sensation as well as which gives protection to the entire body, which is a protective organ as well as sensory organ. Besides these functions, skin is also a role is playing in the excretory system as a supporting organ for kidney. And of course, in the skin, we have huge amount of sweat glands. Sweat glands are supplied huge amount of blood capillaries. Due to various metabolisms inside the blood capillaries, so we have some excess amount of water and some waste salts. So from the blood capillaries, some amount of water and some waste salts are collected and it will be sent in the form of sweating by sweat glands. So sweat glands, by collecting the water and waste salts from the blood capillaries and they are sending outside in the form of sweating, means skin is also working as a additional or accessory excretory organ. Not only sweat glands, in the skin also we have sebaceous glands. Sebaceous glands produce sebum. They secrete sebum which contains wax, fatty acids and sterols. That is why skin is also working as a secondary or additional or accessory excretory organ to support the kidneys. Third one is liver. The largest gland in the body is of course liver. After the completion of the lifespan of RBC, the hemoglobin destructed into different types of bile pigments in the liver. From the RBC, hemoglobin divides into different type of bile pigments. They are bilirubin, biliviridin and urochrome. Now urochrome is excreted through the urine. Due to urochrome only, urine has a specialized amber color. So due to metabolism of the hemoglobin inside the liver, which is producing different type of mostly 3 bile pigments, they are bilirubin, biliviridin and urochrome. Urochrome is excreted through the urine. That is why urine has a specific color. Then bilirubin and biliviridin also excreted or secreted through the bile juice. And again, different type of alcohols, some drugs, some wastages, some poison substances which are in the body have been separated and collected by the liver and excretes through the urine. When we have excess amount of medication, the extra drugs, alcohol excess quantity and all the poisonous chemicals which are collected and excreted through the urine by the liver. And of course we know liver is the vital and primary organ to form the urea in our body. That is why liver is a additional or secondary excretory organs which is supporting to the kidney. And the last one is large intestine. After the absorption from the small intestine, the undigested waste materials are now entered into large intestine. Now the epithelial cells of the large intestine walls, they collect some amount of the harmful ions like sodium ion, magnesium ion, iron ion. They collect and they excrete in the form of fecal matter. That is why large intestine is also playing a role in the excretory system as a secondary or additional excretory organ. And of course, though we have the primary organs for excretion, of course, kidneys, though we have the kidneys as the primary excretory organs, inside the body some organs are participating in excretion as a secondary function. For example, as we know, they are lungs, skin, liver and finally large intestine. These organs, though they have the another primary function, they are participating as a secondary organ for excretion. And of course some very low amount of wastages and also excreted in the form of through the tears and as well as saliva. Here we have the topic accessory or secondary excretory organs which are inside the body. Okay, thank you.